Hello everyone, to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Amazon gift card not working. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to fix Amazon gift card not working, first what you can do is re-enter the code carefully. Many times the card doesn't work because of small typing mistakes, so what you can do is look at your gift card code, type it slowly, check common mistakes like 0 versus O's, 1 versus I, and 5 versus S. If it's a digital code, you can simply copy and paste it, and next method is check whether the card is for the country or not. Amazon gift cards works only on the country they are issued for. For example, a USA Amazon.com card will not work on Amazon India, which is Amazon.in, and a UK Amazon.co.uk card will not work on Amazon USA. So what you can do is look at the card and does it say .com, .co.uk or .in or .ca, and redeem it on the exact same Amazon website. Then next is make sure the gift card is activated. Gift cards bought from the stores must be activated at checkout. If it wasn't activated, it won't work. What you can do is check your receipt. It must say gift card activated. If not, go back to the store or contact them and tell them your card didn't activate and they will fix it. You can also try the browser by simply heading over and opening up the browser. Then on the search bar type in Amazon.com and then sign into your account. Then once you're inside here, tap on your profile icon, then go to redeem cards option and then simply enter your code again. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.